Hey, do you want to know how to dominate local searches and crush your competition in the funeral industry? Use local keywords, right? Now, here are 5 simple steps. Step number 1, do some keyword research. Just go to ads.google.com, look for a free tool called Google Keyword Planner, and this will tell you how many searches certain words and phrases get per month on Google, and it'll also give you ideas for related terms. Step number 2, strategic placement. Use these keywords in your website's content. Like, for example, include funeral home in your city in your homepage title and the meta descriptions. Step 3, location targeting. Mention your city or your neighborhood throughout your blog posts. Write about how to choose a funeral home in the city name, or feature local community events that you participate in. And step 4, natural flow. Now, ensure that your keywords fit naturally into the content. Forced keywords are really going to lower readability and search rankings. Instead of best funeral home in your city, use terms like, or phrases like, we are known as a trusted funeral home in city name. Step number 5, don't forget to monitor your results. Check your website traffic and search ranking regularly. Adjust your keyword strategy based on performance. Remember, what you measure will improve. Using local keywords is going to help you appear in more searches for more people in your area. Try it out. Watch your local search listings soar and follow us for more insights.